Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the weekend additional Saturday, Sunday, January 13th, 14th, 2024. It's actually today, Sunday. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star and the 4-star Sudoku. This one is a tough one, yes. This one is a tough one. 50 minutes I will already solve this. And we have two puzzles left. The Jigsaw Sudoku and the binary puzzle, and it's binary time number 7798. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 18 printed digits. 18. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row, or in a column, there are always 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Alright, so let's get started. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, and 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, and 1, there 1, double 1, and O, there no, double O, and 1, there 1, double 1, and O, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, and O, there no. Double O, and 1, there 1. Oh, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. And 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And double O, here 1, there 1. And between the 1s comes an O. Finish in 2 minutes. Wow, this one very quick to solve. Without comparing. We solve it again, we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Well, not for today, the last puzzle in this additional. Yes, in the evening I will do the Samurai Sudoku. So we have one puzzle left, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.